Hi everyone, and welcome to Hosting with Susanna, where I hope you create beautiful parties and fun gatherings without all the stressful planning. Today we're making my Carrot Zing Mimosa for your spring garden brunch or your Easter brunch, depending on what time of the year you're watching this. This is just such a great little twist on your regular mimosas, which is obviously like the perfect brunch cocktail. And so for this mimosa, we're adding carrots to it to give it that really garden vibe. And then we're also adding a touch of ginger to just give it an extra little zing of flavor. So to get started, we're going to make our orange carrot ginger juice, which is going to take 6 to 8 medium-sized oranges that have been peeled, 16 ounces of carrots that have been washed and peeled, and 1 inch of ginger. And just a little tip, when I'm juicing, I always like to take one of those little bags that you get at the grocery store that you put all of your fresh fruits and vegetables in, and I put it around my back bin to catch all of the pulp while I'm juicing. It just makes cleanup so much easier and so much faster. Okay, let's go ahead and get started juicing. Now that we're done making our orange carrot ginger juice, we're ready to put our mimosa together. So now you'll also need one 750 milliliter bottle of Prosecco. Now in a big pitcher, go ahead and pour in your orange carrot ginger juice. And now go ahead and slowly pour in your Prosecco. And now we're just going to gently stir our ingredients together. We want to stir really gently so we don't lose too much of that carbonation from our Prosecco. And then if you want your cocktails to look even more aesthetic for your guests, I recommend adding this garnish. So we're going to take carrot sticks and go ahead and just cut your carrot stick in half. And then take that half of your carrot stick and halfway through the length, go ahead and cut through that to make a little slit. And now at the very top of your carrot stick, go ahead and take a toothpick and stab that through the top and make sure that it goes relatively deep to create a nice little hole. And you can go through it a couple times if you need to make that hole a little bit bigger. Now take a piece of fresh parsley and then go ahead and cut off a little piece. And you want to make sure that you get a piece that has a pretty thick stem to it. And put the stem of that piece of parsley through the hole you just created. And there you go. It's a little carrot garnish. And then the slit that we cut earlier, halfway through our carrot, we're gonna just stick that right into our glass. And then all that's left to do is enjoy. Cheers. That is so good. I love the citrus from the oranges, the earthiness from the carrots, and that little extra zing from the ginger. I hope you and your guests enjoy it. I'll see you next time.